Is the universe conscious? Exploring mind and reality through Buddhism. If you've ever looked up at the night sky and felt something move inside you, a question, a curiosity, a sense of mystery, you're not alone. For thousands of years, humans have wondered, what is the true nature of the universe? Is it just matter interacting with matter? Or is there something deeper? Is the universe, in some sense, conscious? Today, through the lens of Buddhist philosophy, we explore this profound question, not to arrive at absolute answers, but to open a doorway into reflection, awareness, and wonder. The Buddhist starting point. Mind comes first. Buddhism begins not with the external universe, but with experience. The Buddha taught that everything we know, every star, every sound, every thought, is known through the mind. A famous line from the Dhammapada says, "Mind is the forerunner of all things." This doesn't necessarily mean the universe is a giant mind floating in space, but it does point to something crucial. Consciousness is the lens through which reality is revealed. Without awareness, the world has no meaning, no color, no sound, no beauty, no fear. Everything arises in the mind. Is reality out there or in here? When we see a star in the sky, light travels millions of years to reach our eyes. But the star you perceive, its brightness, its form, the emotion you feel, only appears when your consciousness interprets that information. From a Buddhist view, there is no hard boundary between out there and in here. Instead, there is a constant dance, the world influencing the mind, and the mind interpreting the world. So instead of asking, is the universe conscious? Buddhism asks a different, deeper question. How does consciousness create our reality? Interconnection. A conscious universe without a creator. In Buddhism, everything is seen as interdependent. Nothing exists alone. Your body, your thoughts, the trees, the stars, all arise because of endless conditions coming together. This interdependence can feel like a kind of universal intelligence, not a god, not a designer, but a natural, unfolding order. Just think, one seed becomes a forest. One thought becomes a lifetime of actions. Atoms form bodies, bodies form minds, and minds create stories. And those stories shape the world around us. It's not consciousness separate from the universe, but consciousness emerging with the universe. The mystery of awareness. Modern science can describe how neurons fire. It can explain matter, energy, gravity, and time. But there is still a mystery it cannot solve. Why is there awareness at all? Why does the universe look back at itself through human eyes? Buddhism doesn't claim the universe has a single central consciousness, but it does teach that consciousness is not an accident. It is a fundamental part of existence, a process that arises again and again, shaped by causes and conditions. And in this sense, the universe is more than cold matter. It is alive with experience. It is awake through every being that can perceive. So, is the universe conscious? From a Buddhist perspective, the answer is both simple and profound. The universe becomes conscious wherever consciousness arises. In you, in me, in every creature that can feel, see, hear, and know. You are part of the universe aware of itself, a single wave through which the ocean realizes it is vast. A temporary, ever-changing, deeply connected, and profoundly aware. And maybe, in that simple awareness, you touch the mystery of a conscious universe.